everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, viewers, wherever you are. Today, I would like to say something about too proud. Many people they proud. And if you ask them why they proud like that, they proud for nothing. When they proud, and when person they ask you why do they proud like this, you know if you give any reason. And that proudness when you get, they always go with lies. Because when you they lie to say you get this thing and you not get the thing, you want to come just like you they take am mock your friend or try to tell your friend say you get to do this position and when you know whereas you not did that position. That in a lie. You see so many people dey like that. They not get the thing and they won't let other people feel say or make people take note of them. Then go say they get that thing. Then go they proud with waiting they not get. And waiting they no say then they no go fit reach. Like one Mr. Harry. This Harry, he no one friend for net. So I fit call am and just me I not make sure the name, I just say net. But most people they use that they make friends, how to get friends, to see friends, something like that. So as this boy, this Mr. Harry, they look net now, they try to make new friends, something like that. He can't see one man. May I just name the man or call the man name Mr. Big. So he can't know this Mr. Big for net. So this Mr. Big, when he know now, so he with am go they communicate every time they talk. So for more than 3-4 months like that, he with Mr. Big, they always get contact. They shout for net. They make because the Mr. Harry won't make new friends. He won't see how friends be. He can ask Harry, say, what did Harry they do? Now Harry come tell her say, they work with one company, one agent. He said, though the agent, now every 6 months that they renew a contract, now he get with them. So he no get fist. He no get fist with the agent. Sometimes they will give him 3 months contract. Sometimes they will give him 6 months contract. So this contract only they do now cleaning. That is to clamp like all these story buildings, the glass, all these things. Now this Harry they clean. So now Harry come ask Mr. Big. That is this man where they too proud. He come ask and say, what did you they do? Now Mr. Big come tell and say, in they work for one company. And this company, when he talks say they work, this company get name. Now big company. He said in a supervisor because he don't they work with this company for years. And this company, they promote him, then they give him supervisor. You know when you see somebody when they work for a big company where get name and they give him supervisor, you know what that thing mean? So with that impression, so Mr. Harry now, they try to get contact with this man, just that they talk, they like, as friends. So now there, Mr. Big come tell Harry, say, look, make me tell you something. He not travel, come leave in country, come Europe, to come break in backbones. He said, you know this work where you they work, so if mistake day and you fall from where all this story building, he said you go break your backbones. He said, so he not come Europe to come do those kind of work, those kind of cleaning work. He said, no, he no can. He said, anytime when Harry ready, make Harry come. He go employ Harry. He said, once he go take Harry for in place of work. Say now he be the supervisor. So one day, he go advise Harry, say, leave this job. One day, you go fall down. You go fall down. He said, this when you fall down, he said you go just paralyze. He said, because this story building, because Harry come take picture one day, send that to Mr. Big. Say, make you see the place, the story buildings, when he won't clean that very day. So then Harry reply and say, no, that is too dangerous. Say, how you say because like in the fear height, if you fall from down, that one you don't finish with that. So this story can't go like this. In with this Mr. Big and Harry, they communicate every day, every time. So when this COVID start now, they can't stop many people from Harry dey work. So because Harry now don dey work with this, they know how active this man, Mr. Harry dey, so they can't reduce him hours when he dey work. So these hours now no go reach Harry to do nothing. But make dem not stop am, now they reduce him hours. So now Harry come call Mr. Big, say, look, he won't travel, come meet you. So make it see where you dey, because for some time now they communicate. He don't get time to come see you, and maybe from there you fit put am or position am for the place where Mr. Big dey work. Now Mr. Big say no problem, anytime when he ready, make Harry come. So when Harry now won't leave his state, he won't come meet Mr. Big, because they live for the same country but different city. Now Harry come, Mr. Big come tell Harry, say make he come. So when Harry won't take bus, he come tell us, say look, he go take night bus and he go reach your city 6 a.m. He say, so make you wait for am. He go make he leave in phone or in WhatsApp. He go WhatsApp and tell us, say, see, Mr. Big said no problem. So when Harry travel, he lands that morning, he called Mr. Big. Mr. Big no respond. So Harry come to say, maybe Mr. Big still dey sleep, because since na he na supervisor for big company, maybe he go still dey sleep. So he come dey, he dey the bus station, dey wait. And you know this particular time, e dey too cold, and Harry still dey this bus station, dey wait. Later, Harry come discover, say, no, this time they go. He no go fit wait all this time for cold again. So make him go. So this time, Harry come comot, go book for one hotel, just one day. For this very hotel, he called Mr. Big again. Mr. Big phone no go. So you know this kind of thing. So in dey surprised, wetin dey happen? He don already inform this man, say in dey come. But this very man, why this particular time this man no respond or no pick? So he come dey, you know, as friends now, he come dey feel say, yes, long ago this Mr. Big don already tell am the company where he dey work. Say see the very company where he dey work, see the position where he dey there. So as he book for that hotel, so he comot, he go straight, he look for the address, everything. He go straight to the company. When he reach the company, so when he reach the company, he ask, say, abeg, he dey look for supervisor of this company. You know that kind of funny thing. Somebody wey you no see, wey you only know for net, and he dey too proud. He dey tell you, say, make you leave your job, make you not continue your job, make you not fall, make you not break your backbones. This man now, it's okay. He no wan get opportunity to meet somebody important. Now Mr. Harry go Mr. Big company. When he reach there, the reception ask am, say, whether he get appointment. He say no. Say, but Mr. Big dey wait for am. Mr. Big no say him go, him dey around, so he dey wait for am. Now this reception say, if you no get appointment, they no go let you see am. So after long talk everything, now it's okay, him go wait, because he no go fit go back again. So now the reception call the supervisor, say, look, somebody dey wait for you here, and he get appointment. You say, he say he get appointment with you. Mr. Oh my God. When Mr. Big, when that is the supervisor of the company come now, he say he no know somebody like this, and he dey sure say he no get appointment or invite anybody. That is the supervisor come out. This Mr. Harry surprised, say that white man stand in front of him. So the man come ask her, waiting. Now Mr. Harry explain, say he dey look for the supervisor, and he get appointment with am. He know say him dey come. Now they say no. The supervisor, the man say, now him the supervisor. This particular time, supervisor call somebody else again. So they come be two when they attend to Mr. Harry this particular time. So Mr. Harry come God say he get the man phone, the man picture, this Mr. Big picture for him phone. He can't show them. Say, look, now this very man in the file. And this man say, now he be the supervisor for this company. Now the supervisor call after and say, look, if you say now this man you dey find, this kind face not dey this office, and this kind person not dey work here. So this wetin shock Mr. Harry say he surprised when they tell him say this kind person not dey work here, and this kind person not supervisor for this company. So when he opened the picture, he surprised the place where this Mr. Big posted for this picture that company. So now the supervisor say, if you need help, make them call police. Make police follow you, look for this Mr. Big. This background of this picture, now this company. But this particular man, when you talk about, not they work, not they exist for years. So with that fear, everything, make problem not come. Even Mr. Harry don't the fear. Now he quickly leave the company. He come out. He go back to the hotel when he lodge put. So about some few minutes when he leave the company, now Mr. Big respond. Say, look, he dey very sorry. You know, in position of him work, say they just call him, and now he dey take in. Now he just send message quickly to Mr. Harry. Say, he dey very sorry. He no go fit meet you now because now they don't send am go different direction. So in the train station now. And fully well, Mr. Harry don't know say na lie, he dey lie. How come you go dey proud for something where you not get and position where you not dey? Why then you dey proud for that thing? You dey proud to bring somebody down when you know yourself say you not dey that position and you not get that work. Why then you dey proud? So viewers, you have to be very, very careful with friends when you dey see for net. Very many of them they lie. Very many of them they lie, and they're very careful to how you get contact with them, because if not, one day they will put you for problem. You can imagine how Mr. Big they treat his own friend when they know for some almost 1 year for net when they see how he lied to them, the position when he say he did, and whereas that company they exist, but he not they not they exist for that company. You see how Mr. Harry wasting money. He lodge for hotel, stay from train station to wait for inside this weather, wait cold day. If you want travel, go meet friends. Always think twice. So thank you, viewers. If you love my video, just give me thumb and subscribe me. Thanks and have a wonderful day.